Hello everyone, welcome back to LUCID tutorials. I hope you are doing well. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to access ChatGPT using MacGPT on your Mac computer. What is MacGPT? MacGPT is an application developed by Jordi Bruin. It allows you to access ChatGPT quickly and efficiently from your Mac's menu bar. You can access ChatGPT via the OpenAI website. However, MacGPT makes it more convenient to access ChatGPT from Mac's menu bar. Let's get started. Before going to the website to download MacGPT, you must disable cookies in your browser. I am now using Safari on macOS Ventura. To disable cookies, click on the Safari menu and select Settings. Next, click the Privacy tab and uncheck Block Cookies. Close the Privacy tab and go to goodsnoozegumroad.com. Click on the MacGPT icon and click Add to Cart. Next, click on the price field. If you want to help the developer, enter a fair price. If you are unsure whether you will keep using the application, enter 0 next to the currency sign and click Add to Cart. Then enter your email address and click Get. You will be presented with a CAPTCHA. Click on the images you are asked to select and click Verify. A receipt with a 0 price will be sent to your email address, and you will be taken to the next screen. Scroll down and click Download. It is around 4 megabytes and will be downloaded fast. You should now see the zip file in your download folder. If you can find it, click on this arrow on the Safari toolbar. Then click the magnifying glass icon to show the file in Finder. Next, double-click the zip file to open it and drag and drop it into your Applications folder. Open your Applications folder and double-click on its icon to open it. You will see a dialog box asking MacGPT is an application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click Open and you will see its icon in your Mac's menu bar. If you are connected to the internet, you will see the Update dialog box. Click Update to get the latest version. If you are behind a firewall, click Allow and log into your OpenAI account. You won't see this screen if you don't use a firewall application. If you haven't created your account, click Sign Up. The sign up process is simple. All you need to do is enter your email and phone number. That's all. Let's say you have already signed up. Click login and enter your email and password. If you have used your Gmail to sign up, click Continue with Gmail. Enter your Gmail address, click Next. Enter your Gmail password and click Sign in. If you have enabled two-step verification, a 6-digit code will appear on your phone or probably on your Mac. Enter it and click Done. In the next step, you will see the ChatGPT alert screen. Read it and click Next. Read the following message about how they collect data and click Next. The final screen is about feedback. Read it and click Done. You are now ready to use MacGPT. Its icon appears in your Mac's menu bar. The first screen has 3 sections. The first one is Examples, which refers to what ChatGPT can do for you. For example, type, "Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday?" in the text box below, and wait for the answer to be typed or written. The middle section is Capabilities, which refers to what ChatGPT can do. And the third section relates to the limitations, such as generating incorrect information or the limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. I will now ask ChatGPT to write an email for me. First, I click on the text box and ask the AI model to write an email requesting people to arrive on time for the meeting. Then I will wait for the digital assistant to type it out. Here is the email. It looks good. I just need to fill in the recipient's name, date and time, and possibly make a few minor changes. Then I can copy and paste the message into my email application and click Send. If I am not satisfied with the message, I can click Regenerate Response, and it will rewrite the message for me. If I work for an international company and want to send this message or part of it to my colleagues in their native language, I'll ask ChatGPT to translate it for me. Let's try German, Japanese, and French language. Translate the following sentence into German, Japanese, and French language. Here is the translation in 3 languages. Great job. If I want to change the title of my chat, I can click the pen icon and type a new title. To delete the chat, I will click the trash icon and then the check mark to confirm the deletion. To start a new chat, I will click New Chat. To quit the application, I can click the MacGPT icon in the menu bar and then the cross button. Alternatively, I can go to the MacGPT menu and select Quit MacGPT from the drop-down menu. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you learned something new from it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to receive notifications of upcoming tutorials. Your support will encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.